In this video, we are going to learn balance, which is one of the principles of design of landscape gardens. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. Balance is the equal visual weight of elements on either side of a real or imaginary central axis. Balance is achieved by arranging form, texture, color, and size. Balance can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, radial, or perspective. Symmetrical balance is the equal visual weight of same elements on either side of an axis. Here, one side of the design is a mirror image of the other side. It makes the composition appear stable and creates a more orderly look. It is used in formal designs. Asymmetrical balance is the equal visual weight of different elements on either side of an axis. It creates a more dynamic and visually interesting effect. It is used in informal designs. Radial balance or radial symmetry is the equal visual weight of elements at equal distance from a central point. The central point serves as the focal point. It creates a feeling of movement. It is used in formal garden. Perspective balance is the equal visual weight of elements between foreground and background. The high visual weight of elements in the foreground is balanced by placing coarse texture, brighter colors, or larger elements in the background.